classic round look. Or by using the buttons beside the app. Joe Thomas, Jamar Taylor, and Brittany Colquitt. Joe Thomas will be out for the season, so just the trio of Browns making their way out. The Charger logo at midfield. Thank you for your business. Brandon Neme.
Okay, there we go. That's it. Okay. What? I know. Somebody else is using a car wash right now, so we gotta wait. It's okay. Yeah. Oh. Wow. You're okay. Yay, Matthew, we're car washing Matthew. We can't keep doing these car washes that much though, because I think it's not good for the paint to do a car wash every day. Not too much shaking. It's pretend like we're getting swallowed up by a whale. No, first the whale's saliva is all over our windshield. It slowly begins to digest the metal. Oh no. Now we're going past the whale's filter teeth. I forgot what those are called. This baleen or something like that. Here we go. Oh no. Look at that, the purple rainbow digestive juices. Uh-oh. Now we're getting swallowed by the whale. The stomach. It's trying to crush us. Uh-oh. Here comes the stomach acid from the whale. Oh no, not the whale's stomach acid. That's starting to digest the metal even more now. Whoa! Right, Matthew. Hi, Matt. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, say hi to the whale. All right, now we're getting past into the small intestine. Uh-oh, small intestine. Okay. Now we're in the large intestine. Oh, and you know what comes after the large intestine, right? The colon. Let's look for polyps. No polyps. Okay. We're good here. Looks like a good deal. Uh-oh, now we're going into the toilet. Bling, the whale toilet. Look out, everybody. Now we're in the whale toilet. And now, in a minute here, now the whale is wiping his bum with those big rolls of toilet paper. Yay, Matthew! The whale's bum is being wiped. Woo! Yay, Matthew! Woo! And he's still wiping. He's a good, clean whale. Not like those dirty whales. He's a good, clean, well-wiped whale. Alright. And now we're about to leave the bathroom. We already climbed out of the toilet. Got all dried off. And in a minute, when it says go, that means that we're allowed to leave the bathroom and go on with our whale-free day. Yeah. Ooh. And that, folks, was a trip through the digestive system of a whale. Alright, let's get out of this whale's bathroom. Here we go. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Matthew, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.